Book of Heaven, Volume 2, August 8th, 1899. A resigned soul is rest for Jesus. He continues to make himself seen for just a little and almost indignant with men. As much as I prayed him to pour his bitternesses into me, it was impossible. And without paying attention to what I was saying to him, he told me,
"Resignation absorbs all that can be painful and disgusting to one's nature and renders it sweet. And since my being is peaceful, tranquil, in such a way that, no matter what may happen in heaven and on earth, it cannot receive the slightest breath of disturbance, resignation has the virtue of grafting these very virtues of mine into the soul. A resigned soul is always at rest, and not only herself, but she also makes me rest peacefully within her."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.